How to download and install MetaTrader 4 on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can download MetaTrader 4 on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up your browser. Once you have opened it up, in the search bar, type in MetaTrader 4. Now, click on the first link here that says MetaTrader 4 platform for Forex trading and technical analysis. Click on it. That is the official web page, which is metatrader4.com. So you will land in this web page. Here, scroll down a bit and under your interface, click on MetaTrader 4. Now, click on Download for free. So here, scroll down a bit and click on Download MetaTrader 4 for Windows. Once you click on it, the download process will begin. Now, once the download is complete, you can go to your downloads and open up the file that you have downloaded recently, which is MetaTrader 4. You have to click on it and install the MetaTrader 4 in your device. Follow the setup or installation prompts in your device, follow some instructions, and MetaTrader 4 will be installed in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.